Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
I'm the national flower of India. I grow perennially in freshwater ponds and lakes, mistaken often for a water lily. I'm found in subtropical regions. My color is yellow, pink, or white. I blossom every morning after closing every night. Thin and papery are my petals. Decorative is my pot of seeds. I'm known to survive 100 years. Now that's a wonder indeed. My leaves are waterproof. They are so big and round. They float on the surface of water, or above water they are found. Every part of me is edible, nutritious and medicinal too. I'm a symbol of beauty, purity, and grace. Name me, will you? You are the lovely lotus. Isn't that true?
Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more musical fun.